Chris walks slowly along the quiet beach after school. Soft waves touch the sand near his shoes. A small glass bottle lies half buried near the water. He bends down and picks up the bottle carefully. Something folded is visible inside the bottle. Chris opens the cork with a little effort. A small paper note slides out into his hand. He unfolds the paper and starts reading it. The note says someone needs help near an old lighthouse. Chris looks up and scans the empty beach around him. In the distance, a tall lighthouse stands near the rocks. He folds the note again and puts it in his pocket. Chris starts walking toward the lighthouse slowly. The wind grows stronger as he moves closer. He stops for a moment and looks at the lighthouse door. Chris pushes the lighthouse door slowly with his hand. The old door opens with a soft creaking sound. Dim light fills the inside of the lighthouse. He steps inside and looks around carefully. Dust covers the floor and old wooden stairs. A faint sound comes from above the stairs. Chris pauses and listens closely for a moment. The sound repeats like a weak call for help. He starts climbing the stairs step by step. Each step makes a light echo in the tower. Chris holds the railing as he moves upward. A small window shows the dark sky outside. The sound becomes clearer as he goes higher. He reaches a small landing near the top. A closed door stands in front of him quietly. Chris stands quietly in front of the closed door. A soft knocking sound comes from inside the room. He slowly reaches out and touches the door handle. The handle turns easily under his hand. Chris pushes the door open with a gentle move. A small room appears with very little light. A young girl sits near the corner of the room. She looks tired, but notices Chris at the door. Chris steps inside and keeps a safe distance. The girl points toward a broken phone on the floor. He walks closer and picks up the phone carefully. The screen is cracked and not working at all. Chris looks back at the girl with concern. She hands him a small piece of paper quietly. The paper shows a phone number and a short message. Chris takes the paper and reads it carefully. The message asks him to call the number for help. He nods slightly to show he understands. Chris walks quickly back toward the stairs. The girl watches him quietly from the room. He starts going down the stairs step by step. The wooden steps make soft sounds as he moves. Chris reaches the ground floor of the lighthouse. He pulls out his own phone from his pocket. The signal appears weak near the door. Chris steps outside to get a better signal. The wind blows strongly near the lighthouse entrance. He dials the number written on the paper. A voice answers the call after a short wait. Chris explains the situation in simple words. Chris ends the call and looks back at the lighthouse. He walks inside again without wasting time. The stairs feel quieter as he climbs up again. Chris reaches the top and opens the room door. The girl looks up as he enters the room. He tells her that help is coming soon. A small smile appears on her face. They sit quietly and wait together. Soft light enters through the small window. After some time, voices are heard from below. Chris stands up and listens carefully. Footsteps move quickly up the stairs. Two adults enter the room with concern. The girl stands and runs toward them. Chris watches as everything becomes calm again.